Dear students, our lesson today is about division by a decimal fraction and by a decimal number. Think and discuss. Find the quotient of the following. First, 0.8 dividing 0.2. Then we convert the decimal into fraction. 0.8 becomes 8 over 10, dividing 0.2 becomes 2 over 10, and convert division into multiplication by the reciprocal. Then 8 over 10 times 10 over 2, and reduce, the result equals 4. This is the way. Another way or another solution, we must when dividing 0.8 dividing 0.2, we must convert the divisor. This is divisor. Convert divisor from decimal to whole. Convert divisor from decimal to whole. Then this divisor to be converted into whole, multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. The divisor equals 2. Then we must multiply dividend by 10. This is the number equals 8. So the two numbers becomes whole. 8 divided 2 equals 4. That's the easy way to divide two decimal numbers, or to divide decimal by decimal, or dividing whole by decimal. The first way, or the first step, we must convert the divisor from decimal to whole. Example, find the quotient of each of the following. Number A, 4.86 divided 0.9. First, we must convert divisor 0.9 into whole, multiply by 10 and multiply by 10. The divisor and dividend. Multiply by 10, the divisor becomes 9. Multiply by 10 for dividend, the decimal point move to the right direction 1 digit. Then the result is 48.6. That's the easy way to divide as usual. Then we use the division sign. That is 48.6 number 9, and do the same steps as the previous lesson. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27, and the same until 9 times 9, 81. When we take one digit from dividend to be the divisor, one digit is less than the divisor. Then we should take two digits. 48 in table 9, the number nearest to 48 is 45 from 5 times 9. Then the result here is 5 times 9 equals 45. Subtract the two numbers, then the result is 3, 0. When we reach the decimal point, write in the quotient. Write the decimal point in the quotient and bring down 6. 36 from table 9. 36 for 9 multiply 4 times 9 equals 36, and subtract the two numbers, the result is 0, 0. Then the result of this question equals 5.4. Similarly, we do the same steps in the second example. When we multiply the divisor by 100, the divisor becomes 32. When multiply the dividend by 100, the decimal point move 2 digits, then the result 438.4. And do the same steps as the previous example. 438.4 divided 32, and do the same steps. 43 divided 32 equals 1. 1 times 32 equals 32. Subtract the two numbers, equals 1 111. Bring down 8, 118. The nearest number is 96. 96 comes from 3, minus or subtract the two numbers. 8 minus 6 is 2. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Bring down the decimal point, put decimal point in the quotient firstly, then bring down 4. 224 divided 32 equals 7. 7 times 32 equals 224, minus, then the result equals 0. Then the result is 13.7. 13.7. Practice. Find the quotient in each of the following. Number A, we must do the follow steps. Divide or multiply by 10 to convert the divisor into whole. Multiply by 10, then the result is 8. Multiply by 10, then the result is 4.16. Then do the division. The result equals 0.52. Number C, this number multiply the divisor by 100, the divisor becomes 35. Then multiply dividend by 100, the decimal moves 2 digits to the right, 115.5, and do the division. The result is 3.3. Number E also, multiply by 10 to have divisor 7. Then multiply by 10, the number becomes 3570. Do the division, then the result equals 510. The same to number P, multiply by 100, the divisor becomes 46, and the dividend becomes 8.74. Multiply by 100, and the result equals 0.19. Number D, that's number B. Number D, multiply by 100, the divisor becomes 9, and the dividend becomes whole. Multiply by 9 becomes whole, 3,618. Do the division, the result equals 402. The last one, multiply by 100, the divisor becomes 31, the dividend becomes 75.95, and do the division operation, then the result equals 2.45. Number 2, find the quotient in each of the following. We must do the subtraction firstly and then divide. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1, decimal point. 2 minus 3, 12 minus 3 equals 9. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Then the result equals 29.11. Divided 0.41. Then we must convert the divisor into whole. Then multiply 100, the divisor becomes 41. The dividend multiply 100 becomes 2,911. Do the division by the easy way, the result equals 71. The second example, this decimal point after 3 digits, here after 2 digits, put 0 in the right. Then 5 minus 0 equals 5. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 6 minus 7, 16 minus 7 equals 9, decimal point. And 8 minus 4 equals 4 and 1, 40. Divided 0.38. The divisor must be converted into whole, multiply 100, multiply by 100, then the result is the divisor equals 38. The dividend, the decimal point move to the right direction 2 digits, then 14 and 9, 1.5. By doing the division, the result equals 39.25 as the first example. Number 3, find the number when multiplied by 0.64, then the result becomes 75.52. To find the number equals, when he said multiply, when we said multiply, then we divide what? Divide 75.52 divide 64, divide 0.64, 0.64. Then we must convert the divisor into whole, multiply by 100, then the divisor becomes 64, and multiply dividend by 100, dividend becomes 7,552. Then we do the division operation, the result equals, then the result or the number equals 118. That is the number. If we multiply by 0.64, the result is 75.52. Then that is the end of our lesson. Thank you.